Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. For today we'll be looking at division of whole numbers involving remainders. Division of whole numbers involving remainders. So we'll take both the short and the long division. We'll take up the short and long division. So let's see solution. Let's start with the short division for this question. 89 divided by 5. Okay. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 8, that will be 1 remainder 3, which will attach here, making this 39. 5 into 39, what is before is 35, so that will be 7 times. And then this is our last one, nothing else to attach the remainder. So that makes it the final remainder. That will give us remainder 4. So that means if you are putting this down, you have our answer will be 17 remainder 4. But most times we don't really write our answers like this. The remainders can be changed to fraction. We can change the remainders to fraction, and that will give us equal to 17, 17 whole number, kind of a fraction, 17 whole number, and then the 4 will come up here, 4 all over the divisor, which is 5. Okay. In later videos, we'll look at fractions, but take note, this remainder now has been written as a fraction. 17 is a whole number, and then 4 over 5. Okay, let me also take this one using the short division. Let's see, solution. This will give us 9, 2, 3, 4, 2 divided by 3. Okay, 3 here, 1. 3 into 9, that will give us 3. Good. 9 is in 3 times table, so there will be no remainder. 3 into 2, that will give us 3 is bigger than 2, so that will be 0, and then 2 becomes the remainder for the next digit. 3 into 23, that will give us 21 is before it, so that will be 7 times remainder 2. 3 into 24, that will be 8. There's no remainder there. So 3 into 2, that will give us 0. 3 is bigger than 2, that will be 0. And then 2 becomes the remainder, so remainder 2. So our answer here will be 30780 remainder 2. Or we put it in fraction, which is 30780 number 2 all over 3. That's the short division. So let's pick one under long division. Let's do number 3 under long division. Okay, let's see. This is 62909 divided by 5. 5 into 6, that will be 1. 5 times 1, 5. Subtract, what do we have? This is 1. And then we bring down 2. 5 into 12, that will be 2 times 5, 10. Subtract, what do we have? 2. And then we'll bring down 9. 5 into 29, that will be 5 times 5, that will give us 25. Subtract, what do we have? This will be 4. This is 0. Bring down 0. 5 into 40, that will be 8. 5 times 8 will give us 40. Subtract, what do we have? 0. And then we bring down 9. 5 into 9, that will be 1. 5 times 1, 5. And then we'll have 9 minus 5, 4. Now look at this. This is our final remainder 4. Nothing else to bring down. So what do we do at this point? Our answer will be equal to, remember these are quotients, which will be 1, 2, 8, sorry, 1, 2, 5, 8, 1. Remainder, these are remainder 4. Or we put it as fraction. 1, 2, 5, 8, 1 whole number, 4 all over 5. Okay, and then we'll look at this one that has to do with a 2-digit number. The divisor is 2-digit number. So it's the same principle. 15 here. This will be 9, 6, 0, 8, 4, 9. 15 into 9, this will be 0. 0 times 15, 0. Subtract, what do we have? 9. Bring down 6. 15 into 96. 90 should be before, and that will give us 9 times. Sorry about that. That's 6 times. 15 times 6 will give us 90. Subtract, what do we have? This will give us 6 here, and then we'll bring down 0. 15 into 60, that will give us 4. 15 times 4, that will be 60. Subtract, what do we have? 0. And then we'll bring down 8. 15 into 8, that will be 0. 15 is bigger than 8, that will give us 0. 15 times 0 will be 0. And then subtract, this will give us 8. And then we'll bring down 4. 15 into 84. What should be before 84 is 75. And 75 will be 5 times. So 15 times 5 will give us 75. Subtract, what do we have? 8 here, 7, and then 1 here. 14 minus this will give us 9. And then we'll bring down 9. So 15 into 99. 90 is before, that will give us 6. 6 times 15, that will give us 90 here. If you subtract, this will be 9. So that's the final remainder, and there's nothing else to bring down. So our answer will be 64056, remainder 9, or we say 64050 number 9 over 15. Okay, so that is division involving remainders. So that's all we'll do. So there are activities for you to look at here. Please make sure you carefully go through them. First of all, write it out as normal remainders, and then also write the remainders as fraction. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to like, to subscribe, and also to share. Thank you, and see you in our next video.